friends and neighbors, and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be doing a little bit of cleaning and putting out some of our Christmas decorations. Since I am putting out decorations for the upcoming holiday, I'm going to be doing a little bit of deep cleaning chores. I need to clean under the cushions of the couches and the chair, and get all the garbage, the toys, and the Halloween candy wrappers. They're still everywhere, but I need to get all those out and vacuum. I'm also going to clean up under the couches and get all the toys and stuff out from under there. I'm going to clean out her toy box and go through them and see what we can donate and get rid of. Any broken toys, anything like that, I'll get rid of. On a side note, does anyone else's kids have a light bright and you just randomly find pegs all day every day? I put them up and I swear I think they multiply because I still find them, which is funny because I remember being a kid and never having pegs, could never find them. Now that I'm a mom, I find them all the time. Now that I have the toys all cleaned up and sorted, I'm going to move a few things around. I'm going to move her toy box to a different room, and we will put the Christmas tree in that area. And then I also like to move this chair over to the corner to where it kind of faces the Christmas tree. That way in the evening time you can sit there with the Christmas lights on, listening to a record if you want to, or I just think it's very relaxing. I'm also going to clean my windows and my window sills. I've not done this in a while, and they are in need of a good cleaning. just trust me. And if you want to see how I react to a spider popping around saying hello, there you go. It gave me a little bit of a fright there, but I had to wait a few minutes, but he went away and I could finish cleaning the window. This was a flea market find for $1, and somebody has cross-stitched this, and it is so pretty, and I know so much time went into this. I can't believe it was only $1, but I had to bring it home and add it to our decorations. The frame came with it. I think somebody made it, but it fits in well with our decor, so I think it was perfect. this little guy is a thrift find, and he is just a wooden Santa Claus, and you put him on this little slope and he walks down. He is so fun, and my toddler absolutely loves it. She plays with it every day. Here is the tree. I didn't record us putting up the tree. The kids do a lot of the family tree. They put a lot of the ornaments on. I added this ornament to it. I found this at a flea market. It has two little beavers, a mom and a dad, putting up Christmas lights, and it just reminded me a lot of me and my husband. So I had to get it. And this one is a new ornament. It was gifted to me by a family member. And then I have one more that I found, and it is a hand-painted glass ornament with the cardinal, and I thought it was beautiful. So that is all for today's video. I will see you all next time.